Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cheap, simple bird feeder from recycled material. Let's get going. It's a beautiful day, my friends. I am down by the lake, just soaking up some of this Monday afternoon sun. It's just a beautiful day to be outside in nature. I hope you guys are getting the opportunity to go out and suck up some of the sun. And it is absolutely beautiful. This is down by the lake where I'm at, walking, exploring, and soaking up some of that wonderful sun. I am having some afternoon lunch, my friends, and I'm having some French fries from McDonald's. And I have some filet of fish with cheese on it for my for my lunch. And inside of here, I'm having some pickles. So it's a great day to have lunch outside, and I'm also going to record a video and take in this beautiful view. Okay, my friends, for this video you're just going to need 1 liter box from a orange juice, a smoothie, or a milk, and you just need a 1 liter box for this project. You also need some twigs, you need a stick or a twig, and you need the twig long enough so that it can go straight through the box from one side to the other end. Okay, so this is really a cheap, simple project to do. It's a perfect project to do with children, and so let's get started. Okay, so and you also need some bird seeds, as friends. I bought this bird feeder at the Dollar Tree, and it makes no sense. I think this one is for a hummingbird. And how often do you ever see a hummingbird in Canada? I don't know, but it doesn't serve its purpose. So I'm going to show you how to make a cheap one using recycling materials. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, though, I am going to cut almost like a door or a window in this box. Okay, so let's do that first. So a door or window, I'm going to show you. Ooh. I'm going to make the door a little bit higher, my friend. So maybe it's in the center of the middle, in the middle right here. I think is a good spot for it. Okay, so let's just do that. Make sure you have your scissors handy for this project, my friends. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna cut this out. I'm down by the lake doing this, and it's a perfect day, as I told you, for an activity like this. Right? Perfect day. So there it is, my friends, my hole. Now this was from I guess the wind blew it from someone's yard into mine, and I just took it to do this project. So it's a great way to recycle materials and just prevent littering, right? So I'm gonna put 2 doors on just in case 2 birds happen to come by and want to eat. I hear birds out here, but I don't see any, but I hear them chirping. Okay, so I have a hole here, a door here, and also one on this side. Okay, so I'm going to now bore a, make sure when you do the doors, make sure they're wide enough for a small bird to fit through. Okay, you don't want it for a big bird, but whatever, right? Okay, so now we're going to insert our stick or twig, and I'm going to make the hole down here. So I'm going to use my scissors to pierce it Honestly, my friends, this project takes maybe less than 5 minutes to do. So a hole here, and I'm going to pierce a hole at the other hand as well. Perfect. So one here, and it goes through straight through the other end. Okay, so make sure your stick is big enough so it can fit through. And I'm just going to push my stick straight through to the other end. Make sure also that your stick is strong enough that if a bird sits on it, it won't break down, right? So here we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay. All right. So I think I'm done there. I'm gonna get my cord or my twine and whoop, long enough. I'm gonna pierce a hole at the top here to feed the cord through here, okay? Or the twine through here. Okay, so here we go. As I said, it doesn't take long to do this project. Now, make sure the cord that you're using is long enough so that it fits over the branch that you're going to hang it on. And if you have to come back to refill it, there's also a good thing. I keep hearing a bird, but I don't see it. Oh, it's right above me. I can show you him in a second. He must know that I'm planning something for him. Okay. So, we're almost done, my friends. I'm just trying to lace the twine through here to get it on this side. And as I said, this should take no more than 5 minutes. It's a great project to do with children, and you know, you're also, you know, exposing them to nature, and also you know, recycling material, how to use recycling materials and stuff, huh? Okay, I think I'm almost got it through. Perfect, I got it through. So there it goes. I'm gonna make it long enough so that I can hang it on a branch. So just in case I have to refill it, I can do that. Okay, so I'm going to make a knot at the end of my twine or the end of my cord or my rope, and perfect. There we go. Okay, so what I need to do now is fill this up with bird seeds. So I'm just going to open this. As I said, guys, unless you have hummingbird around, these Dollar Tree feeders are useless. So don't waste your money. How did I get this off? Oh, at the top. Here we go. And I'm just filling it up all the way up, and it's perfect. I hope you guys can see that. See all the seeds in here. Wonderful. So now I'm going to go over to the tree and hang this up. Make sure, guys, also that the cord or the twine that you're using, make sure that it's of a natural material. So just in case, you know, they get caught in their you know, their feet get caught or stuff like that, they can break freely from it. And also it's not going to um, injure the animal in any way, the birds in any way. Okay, so we just have to make sure that we are cautious of what we're doing. And this is basically it. So I'm going to take you over to the tree that I'm going to hang it on. And yeah, we're going to continue. Here it is, my friends. My quick and easy bird feeder is all ready to hang. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to find myself a nice tree. So it has a door on both sides, or a window on both sides, so that the bird can go in and do its thing, have its food, whatever. Now I'm going to hang this, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. I forgot to tell you, my friends, all the materials that I'm using is actually from the Dollar Tree. Cheap, cheap, cheap. This is $1.25. This was $1.25. I also have a scissors that was $1.25 for the Dollar Tree. So it's a bird feeder on a budget. Here it is, my friends, my bird feeder hanging in the tree, waiting for some birds to come by. It's low enough so that they can eat, and that's it. As I said before, very easy weekend project to do. If you're looking for something to do, something fun to do with recycling material, and also um, an activity to do with children, this is a great one. This is a bird feeder made from recycled material. Thank you for watching, my friends, and remember, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better. Listen to that beautiful sound.